sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kejinyalang jong baro ki coordinators na keleng kejila jong kari India, hapo kashatri jong ko All India MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha, kabalong kakat kandai trik unailar arajar arpulai, hanong ba New Delhi. Kasur jong Nongrep, na baro kari India, kala sawa jam ba lada ka Sarkar India, hapo kejinyalam jong ka BJP, kam Pyntreikam ni ka MSP, kin Nongrep kin Thep ban Thep vote. Kini ke jingdawa ka longru baka sarkar ka ban kintop ru ya ka MSP ni ka benta ki jhor uso bat ka dun. Kini ke jingalang jong baro ki nongelam jong ki Nongrep kala sawa jam ha ka nong ba New Delhi bat ki Nongrep kila berngem ban yakhi ting bat kloiru ban mi surok lada ka sarkar kadang sngap menti halor kini ka mat. Kala don ke jing hala da ka slogan no MSP no vote. Kabamod Lada Pyntreikam ni ka minimum support price guarantee nginam Thep vote. Hagani ka sngi hagabayday bat ka jing sngokhya yekhi hamanipur bat ka jing shakta ki Nongrep kani ka jilla. Usamla Alphon bot Karsenteo ubadairu coordinator ubami khman yeki pradali ki state jong ki jilla jong ka than chatela mi baro ka wei ulawan ra ya kani ka mat banyak keren. Ki Nongrep hari India ki long shitli bat ki sngokhya ya ka ei ka bala jia hamanipur bat ki Nongrep ki kerpat ya ka sarkar Manipur bat ru ya ka sarkar India ban shimkhya khnang ba an la ban wan ra byang ya ka shongsuk shongsan haga jilla Manipur bat ru hagari India hi baro ka wei. Ula benrap da ka baong ikwa baki Nongrep kin lech pai byang jala ki lingkha jong ki kombuju long ka jing em ka baman ka sngi laong unongelam ki Nongrep ubami khmat ya ka than chatela mi ngi.
Today on 19th of August 2023 we had a meeting in Delhi of MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha which consists of representatives, coordinators of almost about the entire country except for 2 or 3 states and the union territories also of Delhi, Kashmir, etc. The coordinators were there including Alphon Meghalaya who represents the northeast, and he was told to make coordinators in every state, all the 8 states there, as soon as possible to ensure that every farmer gets a minimum support price. And our demand is actually, it's in every village. It comes out from every village that what we want as such is, we want a minimum support price for all the grains, all the vegetables, all the fruits and also milk. That is the demand that is going to be raised from every village in the country that was decided. And for 2024, it was decided, since we have given a letter to the Home Minister saying that the government is not going to lose anything. It is only the middlemen who are making profit, they are going to lose their profits, and the consumer will also not, he won't lose anything at all. But there was no reply. So now all the coordinators of all the states are going to write a letter within the next 1 week to the Home Minister reiterating the same point. And we have taken a decision. In any case, it's going to be in Hindi. It is MSP guarantee nahi, so vote nahi. That means if there's no MSP guarantee, there's no vote. We have to stick by it. It's been 75 years now since independence that the country is actually eating and enjoying the food grains produced by the farmers. But the farmers are leaving agriculture because it's a bad preparation, a sad preparation. They are losing money every single crop of theirs, in every single crop of theirs. So therefore, we need to step up, buckle up, and we need to tell the government that enough is enough. If you don't give us MSP guarantee, we will not vote. It is not a matter that somebody says, okay, I will do it, because last time people said we will do it. Nobody even mentioned in the manifesto. Therefore, certainly we are very strongly in our position today to say, because we are almost about 278 organizations together, and we say if there is no guarantee, minimum guarantee for our support prices, there is no vote from our side. And that is, if the farmers don't vote, 75% people don't vote, what is the election then? This is something in your hands. Do it strongly. Every single village must have a hoarding there saying, no MSP guarantee, no vote. No MSP guarantee, no vote. Please place it in all your villages, the hoarding there. Let every politician know that the farmer who feeds the nation, who during Corona stood by the nation as a food warrior, he needs to be taken care of. And what is he asking? He is asking for his legitimate rates, nothing beyond that. Thank you so much. In the press conference, we reiterated this, that the government, it's high time that the government realizes the mistakes made there and ensures peace in Manipur. Because all what we want is in peace in Manipur, peace in all the other areas where people are fighting with one another. Peace has to be bought, whether you bring in the army or you bring in on a negotiating table, you do what you like. But peace must be bought in the country. It's a peaceful country, and Manipur was very clearly stated there in the press conference yesterday.
Asmukmen matagasni ba layo ya kabanya dondenta bat kaneka coordination core committee kabalalong matagasni ako dari ban layo ya kaban represent kebuwi na coordinator na ki nakabenta kanon is di baraway hot ke area jodi kanong bahe kadang nando kumba Pratlik state andre Pyntreikam bat ngalayo ya kejungkular banakaliang jakanon is di baraway ngin nong siteli nagabanta ban yakun ban pembore ka sarkar India ban priyo ya kaneka minimum support price agar India berway malayo ru ya ka ban pensno ya ke ka barajia ya ki Nongrep ki jomi ki baran po Manipur ban ya ka situation ka ba down mata po Manipur hoit kalong ka ba ni smokya ko kata ban nakaliang boro ki Nongrep juga India ni don lang ko ki jumut berkata tolong ba Ngin ya ay ketika dia nakabenta ka Nongrep ke badan hapo Manipur ke kendo di kecenge hakili kesni from for our friends and farmer friends in Manipur in the committee that we had just held just now in New Delhi, we want to send a very strong message that all the farmers in the country, we are strongly standing united for the situation, the tense situation that happened in Manipur. We have already clearly said in the press conference that we want the government of India under the leadership of Mr. Modi ji and Mr. Amit Shah ji and also the government of Manipur, please bring back the peace in Manipur, as we don't want our villagers, we don't want our farmers to stay in the relief camp. Though they have become the homeless people, but we want the government to take the initiative immediately and bring back the peace and harmony in the state of Manipur. As the representative of the coordinator of the Northeast, I am here to sternly condemn whatever happened in the state of Manipur. But once again, as I have said, that all the farmers in the country, we are standing strongly united that we want to bring back the peace in the country. As we know, India is a peace country. So we request the government to take up this matter very seriously and bring back the peace for the people of Manipur. And we want our farmers to go back to their village. We want our farmers to go back to the field and have a normal life as usual.